Hey guys, it's Instructor Shane sitting in the garage working on some things today, and I got a package today and kind of wanted to talk about it. So, as an instructor, a self-defender, I love practice, I love training, I love dry fire, and part of that is I like having a gun that I can be able to manipulate and do things with that isn't an actual gun. So, typically as an instructor, the go-to is what we call a blue gun, right? They're different colors, but a typical blue gun is going to set you back about $80, right? And we all don't have $80 to have a secondary kind of training aid, whether that's in dry fire or we're sitting there teaching class or whatever. And over the years, I've kind of collected a couple of them. My buddy over at 951 Tactical, located in Menifee, he makes holsters and gear and all this different stuff. And just to be honest, he didn't pay me for any of this. I've been carrying his gear for 7 years now. And it's kind of some of the best gear I've ever found, on the market. So today I got a package of 2 training firearms, and I'm guessing Aaron got a 3D printer, which is pretty cool. So, I carry an X Macro, which this training aid is an X Macro. I also carry a TLR7 HLX sub, which this is actually 3D printed the light on here. I have an EPS carry. This is, I think, the SIG Romeo something. So it's pretty cool to be able to have a training aid with my light on it, with at least the optic shell on it. Can't see through it. But pretty legit from a 3D printer that Aaron sent me. Also, one of my instructors is looking at getting a HKP 2000 and wanted a training aid, and hey, an HKP 2000 training aid. So I talked to Aaron earlier. Once I got them in the mail, I'm like, dude, these things are legit. Are you putting them on your website? And he said, well, maybe not. But if you contact Aaron over at 951 Tactical, and you would like to purchase a training aid, the conversation we had is they're going to be $35 shipped, as long as he can find a good file to be able to 3D print what you need. And that's kind of the pros and cons of 3D printers and internet files and all that. If it's something he can find, he'll freaking, by all means, print it for you. But reach out to him if you're looking for any kind of cool training aids. Whether you're an instructor, whether you're a self-defender and you just kind of want to do some work, not having an actual gun. I think there's pros and cons to that. But I was definitely impressed with the quality of what I got, and just want to let you guys know. You guys have a great day.